Hi YouTube, so I have determined that I am a terrible YouTuber. I didn't film too much of this, what I've been doing, but it's mostly just been busy work, so not too bad. So we're basically at the point where all we got left are the 4 cab bolts in the cab itself. I'll spin you around to kind of show you what we got off. Alright, so we got this free, which this is going to be interesting. I'm going to kind of just put it over there somewhere. I'm trying not to undo any of these lines. If we end up having to, it's not that big a deal. Got that undone. This is that's a ground cable. All these hoses off of that. That's cylinder free. What else? This is free. Positive table, I didn't even unhook. I just popped up this, fed it through, kept it on there. All I did was unhook it from here, which wasn't a big deal. What else? I did have to end up breaking that hose. It's a not a power steering. It's a transmission coil line. I couldn't get it free, and it started spinning, but it started twisting the line. So we'll have to replace that. Other than that, not too much more. I got the steering linkage done. Got the parking linkage down below. What else? That's about it. There's a bunch of little hoses and stuff, but nothing too major. Now I'm at the point where I gotta come in here and get this kick panel off. I like the kick panel. I need to get a light in here. That's what I'm doing. But I think like right in here, the cab bolt, I gotta pull this carpet back. But let me get that pulled back and I'll bring you back. What's going on, YouTube? Noah back here. So I am once again a terrible YouTuber. Ain't that right, Mac?
Hey.
That's Mac, my brother-in-law. Yes.
Brother-in-law.
I had to think about that. I had to think of how it's phrased.
What the relation is.
Yeah. So as you can see, we kind of got the cap. Y'all don't want to see me. Let me flip this thing around. As you can see, the cab's off the ground. I'm terrible. I did not film any of it. It was very uneventful, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Not much to it.
But this lift arm setup didn't really work too well because this is a single cab. The back arm is longer than the front arm on this, so we kind of had to do some creativeness. We just strap it down just because this is only a single cab and didn't know if that front end was going to be too much weight, where it was going to want to flop off the lift, which we did not want. But anyway, needless to say about that. This is we rolled it back so we could get to it, but or we could walk around, not have to hit our heads. But yeah, we're just about ready to get this taken off. Take the motor out of here. We got, I think all we got is 2 fuel lines, power steering line. We unbolt the exhaust down there and roll it a little bit. That ain't no big deal. Oh, and then we had to drop the drive shaft out so we can pull the transmission out. But we're just about there. Kind of a goal today is to get this motor out. And once we get this motor out, then we kind of still need to get the motor out of the van, which we just went and got. My welding truck. That's the van, this is the truck, even though I call it the welding truck. Basically, we're going to take my power train out of that and put it in here. The couple things I know we got to change is one of the manifolds. I don't know which one it is. I got to look that up. One of them are a little different. The turbo is different. It will work, but it's a smaller turbo, so I don't know if we're going to swap that or not. The oil cooler over there, I need to use this one instead of the one on my other truck. But other than that, for the most part, we might swap the harness over just to be on the safe side. But we're going to both sit in here and then we're going to take a look and see what we got to swap. But really, we ain't had a whole lot of time in doing all this. I've been here since like 9. Probably didn't get work until 9. So I probably got 5 hours in what we got so far done. So not too bad. And worst part is now we have to take another truck apart before we can do too much more. But anyway, we'll bring y'all back kind of once we get probably this motor out and go from there. All right, taking them out. Tell you what, man, this jack loves this motor.
Yeah. It's coming out pretty good so far.
I don't need enough clowns to get on this exhaust over here.
We know we didn't forget any bolts, so at least we got that right.
Part of it right. Type of pan, we didn't just spill everything all over the place. Did just spill a lot, but alright, let's get this thing out of here. Let's try. I think if we come back here like this, we'll be good.
Yeah, the pipe should be. Oh, and something's still connected.
Oh, it needs a hold. Oh no, just unhook that.
Oh, yeah, it's not connected. It was just wrapped around there. All right.
Yeah, we're good with it.
Okay. So let's get this, move this whole thing all the way over there, and then I'll come around with the pallet and just sit it on there. Just watch it yourself. Okay. There we go. And I'll bring the pallet around. Maybe we'll just have to put the pallet on the ground over there and then lift it up afterwards.
Yeah, actually. Alright, YouTube. So, unfortunately, somebody called and we didn't get good video of doing this, but we kind of messed up our pallet. Wasn't really thinking when we put it on there, but it'll stay there. Chain's still hooked to it, so we're good there. But, yeah, as you can see, that's in pieces, but hopefully, before too long, we'll get the motor out of that truck and motor and trans and swap them in and get this one going. I gotta order a few parts, which is probably gonna be our biggest delay. But the oil cool seals, turbo pedestal seals, exhaust gaskets. Probably up on low radiator hoses. Go ahead and get those to replace them. Maybe power steering lines. We'll see. I'll see what I think. These don't look bad. I just sometimes when you're in here. And I also got to figure out the transmission cool line. I got to see about getting that ordered. That's about all I can think of. So, like I said, now the next project is to go through and take the motor out of the other truck. Then I gotta take this. I gotta get off of this motor. This is the wound harness for the batteries. What else? I gotta get off this motor. Gotta get that. I gotta get these mounts. These mounts come off either side. I know I gotta steal this off of that because mine on my other truck's bad. other than that, I don't think there's too much more I need off this motor. I'll need that dipstick tube. I know that. Well, not the dipstick, the transmission tube. I'll probably put this DO select, but I think mine's got an issue with it. Other than that, this is pretty much done. Obviously, I'll pull this turbo too. That's one thing I gotta pull off of here. That's gonna go on my other truck and pass the waste. But yeah, so anyway, that's kind of where we're at. Then we're gonna call it a day because I gotta get back to the house and get some stuff done. So might get back out tomorrow. We'll see. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. I'll probably go ahead and just wrap the video up too. But all the cab bolts are off. Frame's in pretty good shape. I ain't seen nothing I didn't like. Yeah. That. Pan up to the cab. Now we did see somebody hit that. I kind of saw it earlier, but I may just end up replacing that. It's no big deal. We can do that like after, because all you gotta do is take the glue out and pop a couple things off, and that comes out. So that we might wait on replacing that, but I'll see if it works, and then if it doesn't, then I'll deal with it. But anyway, that's kind of where we're at. Still gotta get back with somebody about that front end, but it's kind of the least of the worries at the moment. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and talk to y'all later.